Dale.
Hi, I'm Dr. Quintero here at HQ Dontics. We get a lot of questions about veneers, so today I'm gonna spend a lot of time explaining what veneers are.
Dr. Quintero, what are veneers?
So what is a veneer? Veneer is basically a laminate or a mask that is put on front of the tooth to mask whatever is staining or discrepancy in the anatomy of the tooth. Some people describe it as a contact lens, and it's usually made of ceramic or composite.
We're gonna make it one more time. Dr.
So-
Quintero, what are veneers?
So what is a dental veneer? A dental veneer is a mask or a layer that we put on top of the usually front teeth to mask and cover discrepancies as stains or anatomical problems.
Awesome. When will a dentist recommend using veneers?
When would a dentist recommend using dental veneers? So dental veneers are used for multiple different situations. Most of the times are problems with the anatomy or the shape of the teeth, or it could be the staining of the teeth or the intrinsic color of a certain tooth or teeth. And so veneers help us to mask these discrepancies or these problems by doing a very conservative type of procedure.
What's the difference between dental veneers and crowns?
A dental veneer and a crown is very different. So, and mostly is the shape or the preparation that is used to put either a crown or cap or veneer that is, like I said before, like a mask. So basically what changes is the shape.
Great. What is the process for placing veneers?
So the process for placing veneers is very simple. We need to first project or maybe
We're gonna repeat it. Dr. Quintero, what is the process for placing veneers?
So the process for making dental veneers is very simple. Usually starts by planning the case properly, and so we can determine how much of tooth structure needs to be removed in order to place these veneers on top of them, so we can keep being conservative for this procedure. Then is the appointment for the preparation, which means that we are gonna grind or remove a small layer of the teeth, which is usually around 1 millimeter or sometimes even less than that, like 0.7 millimeters, so less than 1 millimeter of a layering, so we can create the space, so then we can on top of that put the layer. After we have done the preparation, we're usually going to take an impression that is then being sent to a lab, and the lab is going to fabricate the veneer, which is, like I said, made of ceramic or made of porcelain or composite.
Okay. Will veneers and bonding cement match my tooth color?
So the veneers and the cement used are usually done in a way that we can copy or we can match the teeth that are next to the areas that we are restoring.
Great. What are the difference between porcelain and composite veneers?
Let me say this again. So will veneers and bonding cement match my tooth color? So the veneers and the cement used to cement those veneers,
Vamos a repetirlo otra vez. Entonces es
will veneers and bonding
will
cement
veneer and bonding cement match my
cement.
Cement. Okay. Will veneers and bonding cement match my color, my tooth color?
So when making veneers, we want to make sure that we match the surrounding dentition. Most of the times we are gonna do a teeth whitening, so we can clean up and make sure that all the surfaces around the new veneers are gonna be pristine and as nice as possible. The idea is basically copying the natural dentition to the best condition that it was. So if teeth are white in a certain way, we want to match those veneers with those dentition. No, eso no sirve.
Vamos a repetirlo otra vez. Entonces, ¿cómo que se dice cement? Cement.
So
Cement.
okay, so the idea of matching veneers and the cement use with natural dentition is that everything looks natural, right? So when choosing the color for the veneers and the cement that will be used to cement those veneers, we want to make sure that we are capturing the natural condition of the teeth surrounding the areas that are going to be restored.
Great. What are the differences between porcelain and composite veneers?
So the difference between a porcelain and a composite veneer is it's the material. Okay, so the material used when composite is a polymer. Polymers are more like a plastic type of material. No.
Vamos a repetirlo. What are the differences between porcelain and composite veneers?
So veneers can be done in either composite or porcelain. Porcelain is a more stable type of material, a longer lasting type of material. It's more like a glass, while as composite is more like a plastic material. It's a polymer. It has its advantages, but polymers are usually gonna wear faster. They're gonna change color faster. They're gonna lose their polish faster. They're easy to use chairside, so they can be done at the chair or sometimes even an indirect way. But those materials are not gonna be as longer lasting as porcelain or ceramic type of materials.
Great. What should I do to care for my dental veneers?
So the basic care for dental veneers is just as you would care for your own teeth. I mean, you need to be careful with what you eat, just as you would be careful with what you eat for your normal teeth. So you want to stay away from very hard, very strong foods that can break even your own teeth. Keep in mind that veneers, being either glass or composite, or porcelain or composite, they are still a fake material that is covering your tooth. So it is somewhat fragile if you bite on something that you should not be biting on. Like biting on a pencil, for example, is going to make a veneer crack.
Great. Vamos a repetirlo una vez más. What should I do to care for my dental veneers?
So the care for dental veneers is pretty much the same way that you would care for your teeth. Using common sense in not biting things that can potentially break your own teeth is a good way of caring for your veneers. Keeping your regular schedules with your dentist so we can find out if there are certain failures that are happening before time can make your veneers last for a long, long time.
Great. How much do veneers cost?
Dental veneers vary in cost, and it all depends on the complexity of the case, the type of preparation, the risk that the patient has in terms of the preparation risk for the teeth. Let me
Vamos
say
a
it again.
repetirla. How much do veneers cost?
So dental veneers can have a very variable cost, and it all depends on particular needs and situations. Usually a dental veneer will go from anywhere from $1,000 to sometimes even more than $3,000.
Great. Are there financing options for getting veneers?
In our office, we offer financing methods for our patients. We have multiple different ways that we can help people achieve their dreams.
Great. We're going to repeat it one more time. Are there financing options for getting veneers?
So dental veneers usually are not covered by dental insurances. In our office, we offer multiple different financing methods to help our patients achieve their needs.
Does insurance cover the cost of veneers?
Insurance usually will not cover dental veneers. They are considered a cosmetic procedure.
Great. Do you want to repeat it?
Dental insurances usually will not cover veneers as they are considered cosmetic procedures and elective. Thus, insurances will not usually cover for them. Dental veneers are usually... Dental veneers are usually not going to be covered by dental insurances. They're considered a cosmetic procedure, and thus insurances will not.
Bueno, pues aquí. Línea. Ajá, entonces.
Siéntate, Dusty. No. Quédate quieto.
Vamos a calmarnos.
Ya no va. Ya va. Siéntate. Sit. Good boy. So
Okay.
dental veneers are usually not gonna be covered by dental insurance. Veneers are usually not gonna be covered by dental insurances. They're considered a cosmetic and an elective procedure, thus dental insurances will not cover them.
And this one is a good one. How can I schedule a dental veneer appointment?
If you're interested in scheduling an appointment, for dental veneers, just give us a call or text us to the office phone number. We'll be glad to set you up in our schedule.
One more time. How can I schedule a dental veneer appointment?
If you have more questions about dental veneers or you're interested in a complimentary consultation, just give us a call. If you're interested about knowing more about dental veneers, just give us a call and we'll be happy to put you in our schedule.
Una vez más.
Yeah.
Una.
If you have questions about dental veneers, just feel free to give us a call and we can put you in our schedule. No, one more time.
Una más. How can I schedule a dental veneer appointment?
If you have more questions about dental veneers, don't hesitate in giving us an appointment. We'll be happy to see you anytime.
One more time.
If you have any questions about dental veneers, don't hesitate in giving us a call and we'll be happy to see you as soon as possible.
You want to repeat it just in case?
If you have any more questions about dental veneers, please give us a call and we'll schedule you a complimentary consultation.
We finished.